Hi guys, following the previous video, we will explore more robot games in this video. Okay, let's start with color recognition, and it is recommended to play this game in the well-lit indoor. The default recognition color is red. When recognizing red, SpiderPi Pro will not. When recognizing other colors, it will shade its gripper. Okay, the next game is target tracking. At the left interface, you can select the trap color. For example, click Start Tracking and select green. After the game starts, SpiderPi Pro will move with the green ball. Pay attention, please don't move the ball too fast and ensure the ball is moved within the camera region. Okay, move to the next game, Vision Line Tracking. After entering the game, SpiderPi Pro will bend down its camera. There are two color options, red and white. Click Start Tracking and select red for example. Then the robot will move along the red line. Okay, I will show you more games in the next video. Please stay tuned.